What is up, guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you my new bike. I just want to apologize about the audio. I'll just do a voiceover in the intro. I just realized that the audio cord is not connected to the GoPro. Yeah. Sorry for the long wait. I haven't uploaded any videos since last year. Long story short, 2023 I sold my Gixxer 600 and we bought a house. And 2024 I bought this bike. I'll show you guys in a bit. But now I'm back. Yeah, here we go. Let's go. I'll show you guys the video. Alright, test mic. Test. Oh my god. I hope this is working now. Still recording, but I didn't even realize that the audio, the auxiliary cord is not connected to the GoPro. Oh my god. Alright. Whew. Alright. It's okay. Sorry guys. It's been a while since I went back to motovlogging, and that's what happened. Yeah. Alright, but let's do this. So I'm on my way to do a photo shoot, as what I'm telling you guys earlier. So let's go. Let's just go. I'm not gonna cancel the day. Let's go. Let's go. What happened? Yeah, we got this train too here in the West Oahu. What you guys notice, this red bike, this is a 600RR. This is a Honda CBR600RR. Yeah, you guys didn't notice. They did some aftermarkets already. I only did few mods in this bike, but mostly it comes with it when I bought it to the guy, which I really got lucky. Like, most of it is really good aftermarket mods too, so I can't really complain, and I got it in a good price. So yeah, that's why I bought this bike. I'll show you in a bit how the bikes look like, what is the mods and everything. Yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go. Yeah, this is what I did my walk around from my Gixxer. Whoa. So this is a 2012 Honda CBR600RR. Exhaust. That's what it looks like, guys. So all the mods that you see mostly comes with it. The only thing I did is the grip, domino grip, and then the ace delivers. And most of it is stock like that. The carbon you see, the fake Rizoma mirrors, the eBay ones. Yeah. So this is my bike, guys. 2012 Honda CBR600RR. And it has the old school undertail exhaust. You see the carbon fiber, it comes with it already. Vortex chain sprockets, vortex chain 520. Yeah. This is not a full exhaust, it's a mid-pipe exhaust. It took out the catalytic. So it took it out and changed with a mid-pipe, and then the Yoshi tip. So everything here modded up. Oh, also this one, the lights. I'll show you guys later about the lights, but yeah. Yep. What else? Wait, I was still recording. Alright. So yeah. So that's that. So now we're gonna do a photo shoot. So if you guys have any, oh, let me show you the lights. Lights is really nice. I think some of you guys know about these lights already. Whoa! See? So let me take out the headlights. It's the high beam. So that's when it's on. Whoa! That's when it's on. And then that. Wow, that looks sick. Yeah. This mod itself is very expensive too. I mean, 500 maybe. I'm not just sure. The bike is really hot. But I'm not gonna talk about the mods right now. So in this video, just gonna do cruise and maybe a photo shoot. I have my camera with me, so I gotta do a photo shoot here to see. I haven't really take this bike out to do a photo shoot. I only drive it sometimes to work. I have my own parking lot in my work, and then yeah, that's why I just check this out. And then once in a while, if I got just so happen I just want to ride a bike. But yeah, I'll go take a photo shoot this. Maybe in my next video I'll probably do a walk around the details of the bike, and you guys can add in the comments too what you guys want. If you got any question, this, that. But yeah, alright, let's do some photo shoot, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, that was a wrap. Whew. Again, this is my bike. Oh, it's really clean, nice. Alright, I'm gonna head out now, head home. I have a date with my wife. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of my video for today. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Alright guys, thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'll show you in my Instagram, my Facebook, the YouTube channel about the pictures that I took. I had a nice pictures I got here. There's some couple police, but they didn't really mind, so I just took the pictures anyway. But yeah, again, here we go guys, this is the end of my video. Hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe. Oh, that light, that headlight. Yeah, alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the bike. Yeah, I really got lucky with the bike. I feel like the bike is really nice, clean, red, black. Whew, it's so clean. Alright guys, that being said, I'll talk to you soon. Peace.